Outdoor power strips are a convenient and practical solution for anyone who wants to power multiple outdoor devices. There are many products available to choose outdoor power strips, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best outdoor power strips from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Outdoor Power Strip Weatherproof. The KEIUN Outdoor Power Strip is a weatherproof surge protector that is perfect for all your outdoor power needs. With its IPX6 waterproof rating, it can withstand rain, water splash, and even water flow. The shock prevention outlets ensure that only US standard plugs can be connected, preventing foreign objects or fingers from getting powered. The power strip is designed to accommodate all types of US standard plugs, including polarized and grounded plugs. Safety is a priority with the built-in circuit breaker that shuts off power when the limit is exceeded. The durable construction and reinforced junction provide all-round safety protection. With its wall and floor mounting options, the KEIUN power strip is versatile and can be easily installed anywhere. It's the perfect solution for powering multiple patio lights and decorations outdoors. Number 2. USB Outdoor Power Strip Weatherproof. This waterproof power strip features 6 waterproof outlets, 3 USB ports that can charge up to 9 devices, and a 6-feet extension cord. It is IPX6 waterproof rated and has a patented electric shockproof outlet design that ensures foreign objects can't get powered through. The built-in circuit breaker can automatically shut off when overloaded, preventing overheat caused fire. It's easy to install in 2 ways, indoors or outdoors, with the versatile hanging bracket included in the box. Number 3. Outdoor Power Strip Weatherproof with 4 outlets. This outdoor power strip has impressive features that make it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. It has IPX4 grade waterproof, splash-proof standards, and an internal drainage channel that prevents electric shock risks. The electric shockproof outlet is designed for American standard plugs, ensuring safety for all users. Additionally, it has a surge protector with 3 USB ports, can withstand 1,000 joules of energy, and has an all-round safety design. The ETL-listed quality product has it all certified 6. Number 4. 6 outlets waterproof surge protector. This power strip is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It is waterproof, electric shockproof, and surge protected, making it safe to use in areas where it may be exposed to water or lightning strikes. The electric shockproof outlet design ensures that foreign objects cannot accidentally come into contact with the outlets. Additionally, the built-in circuit breaker prevents overload and overheating, while the heavy-duty extension cord makes it easy to power devices at a distance. With 6 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, this power strip is a versatile solution for all your charging needs. Number 5. Outdoor Extension Cord Multiple Outlets. The Covision Power Strip is an IPX6 rated waterproof surge protector that can withstand rain, water splash, and even water flow. It features electric shockproof outlets, ensuring absolute security by only allowing the American standard plug to turn on the circuit. With a 2700J surge protector and overload protection, it safeguards against spikes and fluctuations, providing reliable protection for your devices. The built-in circuit breaker automatically shuts off when overloaded, preventing overheat caused fires. Made of fireproof material, the power strip can withstand high temperatures. The 16 Arabin Florins heavy-duty swivel extension cord is all accredited, ensuring strength and safety. Get the Covision power strip for a worry-free outdoor extension cord that is weatherproof and has multiple outlets and USB ports for your convenience.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.